Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add DeepSeek AI in VS Code. So if you want to use DeepSeek AI inside VS Code to code faster and smarter, in this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to install and set up DeepSeek AI in Visual Studio Code. Quick and easy. So start by launching Visual Studio Code on your computer. So click on the search bar, look for Visual Studio Code and open it. So this is where we'll connect DeepSeek AI. Now to install, click the extensions icon on the sidebar. Now in the search bar, type continue. So tap on it, then install the extension. So tap on install and wait for it to finish installing. Now after installing, click on the continue icon in the sidebar to open its interface. Next, click select model right here. Then scroll down and tap on add chat model. Now this lets you connect to an AI provider. So from the provider list, open it and search for DeepSeek. Tap on it. Now once done, hover over the model section and choose DeepSeek Coder. So this is optimized for programming tests. Now down here, we need to put in your API key. So click here to create a DeepSeek API key. Click on open, then log in to your DeepSeek account. Now once logged in, go to the API key section at the left side, then click create new API key. So name your API key and click on create API key to confirm. Now in here, copy the key, double click, right click and click on copy. Now what you need to do next is to go back to VS Code and paste the API key into the continue extension. Click on paste, then click continue to complete the setup. And that's it. DeepSeek AI is now connected and ready to use inside VS Code. You can now generate code, debug faster, and get AI assistance directly in your editor. So keep in mind to keep your API key private and never share it with anyone. And that's it. Thanks for watching.